Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pancakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 3½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 large egg, and 1 cup of milk. Finally, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, some for the batter and some for your pan. This easy recipe ensures fluffy results every time. Now, let's combine everything to make our delicious batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk the milk, egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter until well blended. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine for fluffy pancakes. Overmixing can make them tough. It's time to cook. Heat a lightly greased griddle or frying pan over medium heat. You can test the heat by dropping a tiny bit of water. It should sizzle. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown and you see bubbles forming on top. Flip them carefully and cook the other side. Your delicious, fluffy pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Maple syrup, fresh berries, whipped cream, or even chocolate chips are fantastic choices. Enjoy your homemade breakfast or brunch. And speaking of enjoying stories on the go, if you love exploring new recipes or diving into a good book, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. It's perfect for reading anywhere.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.